3/8. I'm gonna unscrew it that much, and then we can remove the valve. Just barely enough. Okay, this valve came out like this, like that. Okay. It's going to be the left of this. Okay, so we're going to go right there. And there should be a spring in there. There we go. There's another valve in there also. I just saw that. There we go. Okay, so we have this valve also. It was secured like that. If I'm looking at this correctly, so this is secured like so. Like that. So this entire piece right there came out of here. So right there. Right there. I need to remove these 4 screws on the back here. And this went on from the underside. So like that. Right there. Good enough. Well, would you look at that? I missed out on another valve. This looks like it goes above those valves over there. Okay. We're gonna take that out. Looks like an E-clip. Take my pick again and then prick myself in the thumb again. There you go. So what I did there was just press the push the rod out from behind, and then with my fingernails I just pressed up on either side of the E-clip, and there we go. We got that out. Just got to be sure where to put that. You know, it might not be a bad idea to put it right there. Here's another valve. And it doesn't look to be damaged. I do feel some scoring, but that might be varnish. Okay, so that goes with that. And I think for sure at this time we've got it disassembled. Now we're going to take apart the valve body, the diverter, or the I think this is the stiffener plate. This is the separator plate, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Looks easy enough. Now do bear in mind there might be one more check ball in this valve body. Okay, leave that over there. Okay, so there is no check ball in here, but I see there's a poppet valve back here. I don't see anything else. Aside from this reverse blocker valve. When you're in drive, you know, you're going 50 miles per hour down the road, and then you hit, let's just say you hit reverse by accident. This blocks that from happening. Okay. There's the reverse blocker valve. Just want to be careful with the placement of this. Okay. Poppet valve. And poppet valve spring. Here we go. It's the top right portion of underneath the valve body. Okay. Run the reverse blocker screws or the plate. While we're here, we're going to take that out also. Okay, screw there. This plate went on like that. And there we have it. Fully disassembled valve body. And one interesting thing of this valve body is, if you have not noticed, right here, you have the DPCD and the forward look emblem right there, and it says 63 right there. So this was cast in 1963. This is the same piece also. This piece has been cast in 1963 also. Right there. It's barely legible. Right there it says 63. 63. And the forward look emblem, well, you have the DPCD logo right there. Again, barely legible. Some modifications that we're going to need to make is on this side of the casting and drill bigger holes in the diverter plate there. Yep, looks okay. And this looks okay also, aside from the kind of misleading little marks that's going across the valve body. It looks like it's got cracks. I'm going to leave paper towels over each quadrant just so dust doesn't kind of build up on it. Anyway, I think I've kind of prattled on enough. This was a disassembly of this push button A727 early push button automatic valve body. And hopefully you can use this as some sort of guide on if you're going to be reinstalling it and putting some kits into it or not.